Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Going straight to the point, today I'll be teaching how to get clients on Ads Library. So let's go right into it. Firstly, you go to your Chrome and search for Facebook Ads Library. So when it's loaded, you will click the first one here, which puts Facebook Ads Library. So make sure you select the correct one showing this interface. So when you select the correct one showing interface, then you can get client as you want. So here you will pick the country. You can pick any country. Let's go for United Kingdom. So then you click on apply, and in the ad category you click on all ads. So here you will put the type of clients you want to find, maybe real estate clients or any type of clients. You will put them here. Me, I'm looking for Shopify clients, so I'll put them here. And you click on search. So when you click on search, it brings them like this. You see, we have 1700 results, and these are people we can send daily outreach to. This is day-to-day home door, who is selling home furnitures. And so you can just click on this bold name here. They write day-to-day home decor. Just click on it. So when your Facebook is already set up, it will open. Okay, sometimes it takes you to Facebook, and if the person is using Instagram, it brings you to Instagram and it shows like it. So you can just click on message and you send what you want to send to the client. So let's look for a person with a Facebook. Okay, this is the must be plates selling plates. So let's check if she's using Facebook. Okay, she's also using Instagram. Let's check another person. Okay, let's check this Ronald Cross. Okay, as you can see, this leads us to the Facebook of the person. So if your Facebook is well set up, just click on these three dots beside the follow and you click on message. Just as easy as that. You can message as many people as you want, and you can pick as many people as you want. Just send out your outreach. So that's how to get clients using Facebook Ads Library. And all these clients you are getting here are clients that run ads for their business. So which means they are in need of something, maybe sales, maybe reach, maybe they need more people to see their product. So when you see them like this, you know what to give to them. So clients like this, you can give them how to set up ads, how to set up winning ads and things like that. So here you get more conversions and more clients. That's all for now. So next time we'll be doing how to write a winning outreach, which is writing a winning DM outreach. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss the next video.